Hi everyone, welcome to Yamchan food. This time, I'm gonna make Ajitsuke tamago, which is one of the most popular toppings for ramen. It goes well with not only ramen, but also rice bowls with beef, pork, karaage, and so on. Alright, let's get started. Ingredients: make a tiny hole in the bottom of the egg by a thin needle or a push pin. This is a very important process, so don't skip it. This will make it much easier to peel the eggshell. Boil hot water. When it boils, add salt and vinegar to prevent the egg white from popping out. Put the egg softly in the hot water so that it doesn't break. Boil the eggs for 6.5 minutes. Mix it so that the yolks are in the middle. Put 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 3 tablespoons of water. Add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of sake. Add 2 tablespoons of mirin. There is a mirin recipe in the description box of my SUJIKON video. Bring it to a boil. Add about 3 grams of Dashi Powder. Boil it for a few minutes. After immediately kitchen timer goes off, drain the hot water and cool the eggs in the ice water until they are completely cold. Peel the boiled eggs softly in the water. Wipe the moisture off the eggs. Put the eggs into a Ziploc bag. Pour the sauce. Press out as much air as possible. Marinate them for more than 3 hours in the fridge. If you marinate the eggs overnight, the sauce soaks into them well. Make sure to mix the eggs softly in the background a few times while marinating so that they don't have white spots. I marinated it for 4 hours this time. I recommend cutting it with thread as the yolk will be cut beautifully without waste. What a beautiful yolk! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!